Hey everyone, my name is Raj, and I'm a recent UW grad. I'm really excited to be speaking with you today, especially since velocity events were some of the most fun moments of my undergrad. I just graduated this summer with a degree in economics and business. But fun fact, I actually chose Waterloo because of its entrepreneurial spirit. I used to sit in the audience at velocity pitch competitions inspired by students turning bold ideas into real solutions. By fourth year, I realized I wasn't chasing that same energy myself. So I pivoted, dropped a nearly complete minor to take time to learn entrepreneurship. That's when I stumbled upon the Velocity Future Cities Innovation Challenge. What stood out to me about the challenge was that you didn't need a pre existing team or startup. All you needed was ambition and a good idea. That's how I met three incredible teammates, one in architecture, one in planning, and one in computer science. We were total strangers from different worlds, but together our skills just clicked. We came up with Permitly, a platform to fast track building permits and tackle Canada's housing crisis. That collaboration took us all the way to the finals, where I got to pitch in front of two mirrors, and we won. Amongst other panelists was Mr. Frank Cairo, CEO of CAIVAN Communities, who is also working towards making Canada's housing accessible and affordable. He invited us to his Ottawa office, and just 2 months later, I'm fortunate to be sitting in that same office working as an analyst for CAIVAN, one of Ontario's largest home builders. With all the support and guidance I've gained from the folks at FCI and Velocity, I can say this: wonderful things can happen, but only if you give them the chance to. The saying about missing 100% of the shots you don't take is absolutely true. And honestly, I just wish I had taken mine earlier. But I guess that's what university is all about. It's not just degrees and deadlines, it's about stepping out of your comfort zone, trying something bold, and hitting the gas. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But either way, you grow. You meet people, and my favorite, you build stories. So, a heartfelt thank you to FCI, to Velocity, and all of you for listening. Keep grinding, keep building, go Warriors.